Hello, Joe from Joe K Models here. I want to give a quick tip on something that I've been working on. So I have this wing up here that I painted and I put decals on and I put a clear coat over everything. And what ends up happening is this is a very small model. It's a 1/72nd scale. And sometimes you have different connection points that are very small also. So in this case, I need to connect this top wing to the bottom wing, and I also have to connect it to part of the fuselage. And I have to have really small holes. And those holes end up getting covered up by paint and by clear coats, that type of thing. Sometimes the model itself can have molding problems as well, and you have to drill some holes. So what I did was I went to my local hardware store and I bought some drill bits, which I don't need all of these. I only need like one of them really. But I went ahead and bought these. This was only a couple dollars. And normally if you buy a hobby set of drill bits with the handle and everything, it can run, $20, $25. So I bought this for a couple dollars. And I have my hobby knife here and I have the drill bit that I want to use. So what you can actually do is you can take the blade off of here. It might be a little bit tricky to put it in, but using the hobby knife, just want to kind of go easy. These are very fragile, so I don't want to go too. Don't do it too much, but there you go. You have yourself a makeshift drill bit handle. And then you can go in here. And I actually already drilled the holes out, but just to give you an idea. You can just use this as a drill bit.